see what they're talking about.
But you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period. You was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock DMs, cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars. How about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Alright, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, me and this guy gonna be switching cars, you feel me? So I got his keys, he got my keys. You feel me? Let me get a little thumbnail. So he got my keys, I got his keys. We're gonna do a little drive. Just finished installing my mirror cats and my sequentials. Y'all didn't see that video already. Well, that video's gonna drop before this, obviously. But like I said, we switching cars, everything, go for a little drive. Get a little action. Yeah, sir.
Get my car from a third person view. Make sure you get them something to hear.
Something to hear.
But at the same time, you know, take it easy.
Take it easy.
I don't want to put this thing on fuel reserve.
Oh, you ain't got no gas?
I mean, I got a little bit.
Me too, I got a little bit too. I've been driving.
I think I'm straight.
We should be straight. Anyways, we gonna get to a little POV action or whatever. Give y'all some little, you know what I mean? But, oh god damn, this man was driving in, hold on. What's this? Alright. God damn. You got some E50 in here?
No.
Yeah.
Yo, not gonna lie, the pots are mad aggressive, bro.
Alright. Nah, I'm in here, you feel me? A real driver. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. Let's get straight into the POV. Do that again? God, that sounds good. Alright. Alright, man, we out. God, this bitch sound good. Hold on. Oh, let me zoom this up. Oh, sheesh. My car popping. Hold on. I had to get y'all a different POV real quick. Oh, that boy intake sound crazy. Hold on. Chill out, seatbelt. Told y'all, safe driver. Click it, or you got a ticket. Let me go this way. Oh yeah. That boy car feel a little, you know what I mean? That bitch feel good. Pull up, gangy. Ooh. Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, that MST intake inlet sound crazy. Like, that junk sound crazy. Let me see what they're talking about. Bruh, nah, I need that. I need that, no cap, I need that. This junk sound crazy, bruh. Yo, this junk sound crazy, bro. Nah, that intake filter sound intake inlet sound crazy, bro. That boy going crazy. Hold on. boy going crazy. Damn. Bruh, this just sound crazy. Like, I don't think y'all understand. That little poof, like, nah. And when he get his downpipe and like everything installed, oh my gosh. Hold on, let me see if I can get neutral for him. I know that boy over here. Oh shit. I went in reverse. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. This junk sound crazy though. I mess with that boy Lil 40, you feel me? Oh shit. Bruh, intake sound crazy. Bruh, this junk sound crazy, bruh. Like, for real, bruh. This man right behind me, back to back, you feel me? 2 M340s or 2 340s in 5 o'clock traffic, you feel me? That's a tongue twister. 2 340s in 5 o'clock traffic. Bruh, this junk sound crazy, bruh. Oh my gosh. Like, bruh. Oh my gosh. I don't think y'all hearing this. Like, listen, I'm gonna do it again, bruh. Like, what the? Nah, this man thinks I'm crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't think he knows how to do this, because I never heard his car do this. Oh my gosh. I think you gotta be in second gear to do it. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Oh, they just so crazy. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh, that junk's addicted. Not gonna lie to you. Oh, that boy pulling up crazy. You feel me? But dang, this junk sound crazy, bruh. No cap. Alright, he about to launch his car.
Show this man how to launch the car.
Nah, you seen it. I literally did exactly what you just told me to do. Yo, I should have got this man's face, bro. This man's hilarious.
Whole lot of drugs, shallow side. Hey,
I could hear it.
Riding stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave 5. He on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit at 8, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo, Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me and my dough. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me, I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JB, Bean, Frank One, Nixon, and no Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at one. Gotta be smoking. Zaza. Bow, bow. Hey, yeah. We don't ride this. Lot of hill, whole lot of drill. Slaughter hill, shallow side. Come from hey, if you smoke, young nigga, come from. Hey, grab, bow. Hey, we don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns.